strangers. Welcome to the zoo. Bits of disappointments, except for one or two. Some of them are angry, some of them are mean, most of them are twisted, few of them are clean. And when you go dancing with young men down at the disco, just keep it simple. You don't have to kiss though.